Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains of Gloria, in excelsis Deo, Gloria, in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your heavenly songs of Gloria, in excelsis Deo, Gloria, in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King of Gloria, in excelsis Deo, Gloria, in excelsis Deo. See him in a manger laid, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our heart in love we raise. Oh, Gloria, in excelsis Deo, Gloria, in excelsis Deo.